Hi, this is Amy with amysewingstudio.com. I am making a series of some little videos going to show you how to make cotton fabric face masks at home. What you're looking at right now are some patterned fabrics. I currently have some actual face masks cut out of this fabric, and you're going to have ties for your face mask. So what I'm going to do is show you how to cut out your face masks, which way on the grain of fabric. Right now, this pattern fabric right here this is your width of your fabric. Your selvage edge is right here, and this is your length of your fabric. And these masks, you're going to cut the face masks 10 inches wide by 7 inches in length, and so you're going to measure 7 inches up. Sorry, you cannot see the bottom of my fabric, but pretend the bottom's there, and you're going to measure up 7 inches, and you're going to cut across. You can use a rotary cutter and a clear ruler to do so, much easier and faster. Here is my clear ruler, and you would just measure 7 inches and you'll cut straight across, and then you'll measure out 10 inches and you'll cut this way. I'm using the width grain of fabric for the actual face mask because the width is stretchier than the lengthwise grain. So here's what your fabric pieces will look like for the actual mask. Okay, this is the 10 inches, and here's the 7 inches. Sorry about that. You'll cut 2 of those pieces, and these are the ties. These ties are 1.5 inches wide by 20 inches long. I have been cutting the ties with one end of the tie on the selvage edge, which it'll just make it easier because I won't have to finish this edge, and this will be the edge of the tie that's out where you can tie it as opposed to being sewn into the mask. So I've been just measuring 1.5 inches this way and cutting 20 inches this way, and you'll need 4 of these ties for the type of mask that we're making. So again, a 7-inch lengthwise on the lengthwise grain, 7 inches this way, 10 inches on the width way. For the mask, you'll need 2 pieces of those, and 4 of your 1.5 inches this way and 20 inches this way. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.